Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome, my dear followers and flowers. You are welcome all. Yeah, today inshallah we will continue the Arabic letter. In the last video we talked about alif, ba, ta, tha. Today we'll continue jim to dal, from jim to dal. Jim also has all the letter, not jim. All the Arabic letter has three shapes in the word. Maybe two or three has two shapes. We will talk about jim in the first word. We write it like that, jim. Jim in the middle of the word. Jim in the last of the word. Jim connected, of course. Jim in the last of the word separately. Ha, it is also the same. Ha in the first of the word. Ha in the middle of the word. Ha in the last of the word connectly. Ha in the last of the word separately. Also the same for kha. Kha. Kha for the first of the letter. Kha for the middle of the letter. Kha for the last of the letter connectly. Kha in the last of the letter separately. Jim, 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 ha, 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 ha. Kha, 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 kha. Let's say for dal. Dal has two shapes. Dal in the first of the word. Dal in the middle of the word. Dal in the last of the word, always coming separately, always. As we say Smith, not Smith. As we say Haddad. Haddad or Haddad. Ha, ha. Da. Alif, we say the alif, last video. Dal in the last of the word, it means Smith. Haddad means Smith. Dal. Dal, it is the same. Dal in the dal in the first of the word. Dal in the middle of the word. Dal in the last of the word. As we say ذهب. Let's say ذهب. ذهب, it means went. ذهب, went. Let's say ra and zay. Let's continue. Ra, it is the same. Ra in the first the word. Ra in the middle of the word. Ra in the last of the word connectly. Ra in the last of the word separately. Zay, it is the same. Zay in the first of the word. Zay in the middle of the word. Zay in the letter of the word connectly. Zay of the last of the word separately. So the Arabic letter has three shapes in the word. In the first of the word has one hand to catch the another letters. Jim in the middle of the word has two hands to catch the first and the last of the letters in the word. Jim in the last of the word connectly. Jim in the last of the word separately. That's all for today. I hope for you the best. أرجو لكم جميعا التوفيق يا رب.